Hello again, dear students of mine. It is a very big pleasure to be here with you for this class. And today we're going to talk about grammar focus, there's quantifiers, how many and how much. How many and how much? As it says, they are quantifiers. Quantifiers talk about the quantity, the amount of something. Here we have a division, a classification of count nouns and non-count nouns. Count nouns are the ones that can be countable. Are there many restaurants? They can be countable. You can say one restaurant, two restaurants, three restaurants, and so on. Non-count nouns is like this one. Is there much crime? Crime, it is non-count. Yeah, although in Spanish we can say crímenes, but in English we have just this word crime. It is not count, non-count. It is like when we say pollution, contaminación. We never say pollutions. We say how much pollution. We say it is non-count because we never say contaminaciones. And the difference between count and non-count is like here, many, and here we have much. Many means muchos, yeah, muchos restaurantes, and much, yeah, it is here like much pollution, mucha contaminación. So here we have to remember, for count nouns we use how many, and for non-count we use how much, how much. So it says, yes, there are a lot. Sí, sí, hay muchos. And yes, there is a lot. As you can see, we can use a lot for both. Just the difference is that in this case is yes, there are a lot in plural. And here in this case, we use yes, there is a lot in singular. There is, there are. A lot is the same. Now, for plural, we use yes, there are a few. While for singular, yes, there is a little. Here it says pocos, and here it says poco. Here we are. A few, pocos, and a little, poco. A little poco. Is there much pollution? Yes, there's a lot in Salamanca. Or yes, there is a little in Celaya. Ah, yeah, we wish. Okay, then the negative, no, there aren't many. No, there aren't any. No hay ningunos. Here it says no hay muchos, no hay ningunos, or no, they are none. There are none. And here for singular, no, there isn't much. No, there isn't any. No, there's none. Here, no hay mucho o mucha. No hay ninguno o no hay nada. There's none. And for questions, we have to ask the questions by using how many, in the case of the count nouns, how many restaurants, and for non-count nouns, we use how much crime is there. There are 10 or 12, you can answer with a number. And here there's a lot, or there isn't any, or there's a little here. Here in the exercise, it says, write answers to these questions about your neighborhood and then practice with a partner. Here we have, is there much parking space, lugar para estacionarse in your neighborhood? There in Irapuato, I live in Floresta. And is there much parking? Yes. There is much parking. Are there many apartment buildings? No. In Floresta? No, no apartment buildings. There aren't any. Then, how much traffic is there? Traffic is singular or plural? Here it is traffic. Yeah, traffic, that's why it says how much. How much traffic is there? There is not much. There is not much traffic in Floresta, just in the mornings when everybody wants to go out. But how many drugstores are there? How many here in count? How many? And I answer with the number. They are 10 or 12. In Floresta, there is one. Farmacia de Similares. Is there much noise in Floresta? Noise is singular, non-count. And I think that no, there isn't much in Floresta. No, there isn't much noise. No hay mucho ruido. Yeah, well, in the afternoon with the children, but not now. In this moment, there are no children playing outside. So no, there isn't much. Are there many shopping malls? Oh yeah, in Floresta, well, we don't have malls. Of course, we don't have malls in Floresta. We just have 2 mini supermarkets, the Kmarts, yeah. No, there aren't any. No malls, no malls. Yes, there is a Supervara and El Mandado, that's all. Is there much pollution? Pollution, contamination. Is there much pollution? No, I don't think so. There isn't much. Only when we have pollution coming from Salamanca sometimes. Yep. How many fast food restaurants are there? Oh, how many fast food restaurants are there? They are not exactly fast food restaurants, but they are some small fast food places in the outside of some houses. So there are some There are some fast food restaurants in Floresta, the small ones, yeah, not the international chains like McDonald's or Burger King, but we have birria de res, birria de borrego, and we also have, well, tacos, many stalls of tacos, and we have hamburgers, pizza, seafood, tamales, many different things, Mexican food restaurants there in Floresta. Well, so you have to submit your answers. It is not necessary that you copy the questions, but you copy the answers according to your, well, about your neighborhood. My So you write down your title. My neighborhood is Floresta in Irapuato. Your neighborhood maybe is, then you write the name and it is in Abasolo, or maybe you live in a different place that is not Irapuato. Then you write down your title and you write the answers of these questions, yeah? Lugar para estacionarse, edificios de apartamentos, tráfico, farmacias, ruido, shopping malls, centros comerciales, pollution, contaminación, y fast food restaurants. How many? Okay, so here, this is what you have to submit. 2 things. You are going to submit the picture, horizontal picture. No me manden fotos acostadas, por favor, chequen que la foto sea horizontal. Horizontal pictures, please, and here it says your picture of your answers and your speaking. Audio, do your recording. Haces tu grabación de la pregunta con respuesta, tu grabación y también mandas tu audio, por favor, en el espacio correspondiente en Classroom. Please, and we're going to continue with some other exercises about how many, how much. Thank you. Bye-bye.